Hi everyone. So I am here with my December 2023 Sterling Ink subscription box. So it just came in the mail yesterday and I've just had a chance to get it opened up now. So let's take a look. So it's such beautiful things in here every month. Oops. Traffic's deciding to be noisy. I'll peel this off a little bit better later because I like to keep that sticker and try to use it somewhere during the month in my journal. I don't know why the trucks are deciding to honk out there today. Not sure if you're even hearing that. Alrighty, so put that aside. Let's take a look at all the goodness. So all the stickers in here. Let's take a look at the vellum. So two gorgeous pages of vellum. So here's the first one. It's pretty floral design on it. And the second one, upside down. So pretty. Same floral type designs, and it's overlaid with this old script stamps. Oh, so pretty. The December vellum calendar page. And the day of the week stickers. And the date stickers. And I've been enjoying using these the last year. I've really enjoyed using all of these. The vellums I have not used yet. I'm going to have to start thinking about where and how I'm going to use all the vellums because I've been building up a beautiful collection. Let's just pop this back in here. I'll come back to this when I'm ready to set up my December pages. And let's take a look at all the stickers. Again, these are always so pretty. Here, let's get a cleaner white background. These are always so pretty. These have the little sparkles in them. Sparkles is probably not the right word. Some more of these gorgeous florals. This is always so pretty. and then the page with all of the dates, or just the numbers. And again, this is a page I haven't used yet, any month I've had, but I'm keeping them all because I know at some point I will have a use for them. And then the little tiny stickers and a few of the other goodies in here. A pretty sticker. I think it's a sticker. Yeah. Some teeny tiny stickers. Little December monthly sticker. The December just written out. The little month tabs. And then just the little cardstock die cut. Again, a month full of gorgeous, gorgeous things. I really have enjoyed this subscription box, but I think I mentioned in an earlier video, somewhere I mentioned before, I am going to suspend my subscription for the time being. I have received it. This is the 13th month in a row that I have received the Sterling Ink subscription box, and I have loved every single month I've got. I have not, however, used any of the vellum pages, the full 8.5 by 11 vellum sheets, and I still have a lot of the stickers left. I have used, I think, for every month except for some reason I didn't use some, I think in January of 2023. I didn't use the date or the day, weekday and date stickers. For some reason I didn't use them, but I've used these almost every month throughout 2023. I've used a lot of the stickers, but I still have a lot that I haven't used yet. And what I've decided to do for just the time being is I'm going to suspend my subscription to Sterling Ink for a little while. And I'm going to switch over to, I'm actually going to get a yarn subscription for the first part of 2024. I will, in my 2024 journal, I will be going back through and using up a bunch of my extra Sterling Ink stickers because they're gorgeous. I absolutely love them. There's nothing with the Sterling Ink subscription box that's caused me to suspend my subscription beginning this year, but I just want to, I like having one treat a year of a subscription box of some sort. And I've gone through a few over the past several years. I've had the Sterling Ink one. I've also had Archer and Olive. I've had Simply Gilded. I've done another yarn one. I'm drawing a blank on the name of it. I think those are the main ones I've had over the past several years. And I just like to change it up here and there. And budget-wise, I typically only have one subscription each month or throughout a year for each month. So I'm going to let this one lapse for a bit unless I decide I'm missing it terribly and want it back. But I'm going to let this one lapse for now and quite likely come back to it. I still love Sterling Ink products, but my budget's going to let me treat myself to something else in the upcoming year. So you will see me in 2024 using up a lot of my extra stickers in my journals coming up, or my journaling coming up in the upcoming year. but I won't have any more unboxings for the time being for these guys. So thank you for joining me along with this. I hope you liked seeing what came in the December 2023 box. And I'm excited to start setting up, even though it's only today, the 7th of November. I'm excited to get December set up with all this gorgeous stuff. Alrighty, thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I will see you soon.